Tuam, khona into endifuna sithethe ngayo.
Nonule.
Khathele ba makhwaphini ndifuna uvela ngoko.
Yeyi, ungakulinganisele ngaloo nto.
Kanjani?
Dude. Ana. Remember ngudadewenu ositha ngaye apha.
Ndiyazi kaloku.
Hayi, ungathi wasintoni?
Ndifuna ukuvela ngoku.
Dude, ayi for real. Uyamqonda phofu ba unobuhle kube ngafani nawe ungenzeka ntoni?
Intombi yakho yakuqala bayadlungula.
Ufuna uthini ngothi wadlungula?
La mntwana anaye wamfumana edlunguliwe.
Yima, you mean to tell me unosipho all these years mnana sithandana? Uhlala nondana apha kanixeli bangabana nomna udlunguliwe all along.
Andazi kaloku engabuzi yena.
Yefuthe kwena ngeke uzindlela like uthulile lawo like mnana sibisi yanyonyobelana apha uthule like all along for what reasons?
Nawe yathi wabesinyonyobelana.
So now ufuna uvela ufuna hence like how do I believe you bangabantu ethinyana ngoku?
Mbize okanye kuzoxelela.
Yazi ntoni? Neninyelo nosisi wakho ni2 nidibene nje. And whatever that we're trying to build here, it's over.
Ayikwazi sisenze into ezingaka.
Man, doesn't matter what you did. Now it's over. But okay, what if years are most limited because remember your room yakhe le.
Ndingenaphi mna?
Dude, when I run came I care.
Kodwa nawe uze understand umsisi wakhe.
Not. Whatever that we did, it's over. And we're not gonna debate about it.
Akunjani.
Yena lo mntatweni ngobuhle uzakunya yena. He has to tell me why. Because you both lied to me. That is why I'm ending this thing. It's not working, Mos. When you tell me all along.
Ngusisi wami.
Jonga
yena.
Mamela. Azibini iphikisana nawe. Ngapha kwenza benokukhaba phambano kwawena ngokuphuma le room. Jonga uthe kuphuma kwawena. Ngicela ngikutheke ngazombama man.
Kudala siyenza nje lento.
Dala siyenza?
Ewe.
Ndiyanza ayifuni. It's over.
Mina ndayifuna nje la.
Okay fine. Ungixokisele all along. Expect one ndiphinde ngijole ngawe futhi.
Kodwa ndixeba ngusisi wami mingekwazi ukuyithetha lento.
Bengisi wakho.
Ndiyakucela.
Mamela ne. Whatever that you did. It was just last nje nothing. Mina zanga nakhala nokhanda for that maybe no. Like me. Like I was just doing it just for fun.
If awuyicaciswa seqaleni.
Why do I have to explain everything to you?
Ngokwena uthini feelings zakho?
Feelings zakho? I don't care about your feelings, my man.
Oh, ihamba njani?
Yes. So now fuck off. That'll show us enough. Because nobody can ask about enough for that matter.
Oh, okay.
Zozam. Ndihamba. Wow.
Kwanza kandoni?
Yeah, shalom.
And then?
And then?
Kwanza kandoni?
What's going on? Awesome. You tell me what.
Kwanza kandoni?
Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? What's a child of break? Huh? What's a child of break? When are you going to tell me?
Mama uthela ntoni kade?
Ngicela na unyana wakho.
Uthela ntoni mna ndazana ngenxa yokudlwengulwa kwakho? Buzothina nini lonto?
Ngicela amasiko wena.
Ukhohlakele mama yakuligqwisa ukhohlakele.
You deserve whatever I'm giving to you, man. Unsathane. Yazi nini ngicela amasiko. Uzocela nini? Yeah? Wena. Qolo. Hey man, qolo nini? Qolo. In fact, ubaba lo nceda ngicela futhi. And we've been fucking for fucking 2 years mna baba.
What?
You had me.
Indoni? No.
Know what? We've been fucking and I enjoyed every moment of it.
It can't be.
It is. And it happened. Wena?
It can't be, Baba.
Hey, you must be mama.
It can't be.
You can't be what?
It can't be. No, to us it can't.
It happened.
No,
And
no,
in fact,
no,
it isn't here
no.
Get her in now. And then go to hell for that matter.
Wow. No, 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 no. No, no. Not to Baba. Not to Baba. No, Nasekaya. No. Where's my fucking phone? Huh? It can't be. 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 Hayi seludinga ukutshintsha ngoba ikhompleni sinawo nalo ma. Sipho.
Hayi Sipho wenzekani?
Angiqondi umama nganenza lento. Wenzekani umama nganenza lento?
Hlalani
Ukhothane ngalonto langade senze lento.
hlalani phansi. Wenzekani lo Sipho?
Umama athule yonke leminyaka kanti uyazazi bamna ukuze nizame mina wadle nguzo.
Umoya
Hayi.
Sipho amanzi.
Hayi andifika lamanzi hayi.
Hayi.
Umoya Sipho phuza amanzi ngoba right.
Umama uthule akandixele ndiba sekuyagiwisha abandlini kuyathetha uba mna ukuze ndibe khona wadlwengulwa yena kodwa uthule njani umama ugqulu ukhohlakela ngeke
Umoya phuza amanzi zoba right lo.
Ngicela ukuhlala apha okwenzukwana ngoku nisazamela ukuhlala
Uzohlala khuleko uzohlala
Uhlala sami uhambe esikolweni uzovuka apha mama kwenza uthetha naye va mama kwenza uthetha naye zonke izinto ezizolukeva ungakwati kakhulu nyamezela sana lami athi kanti
Mama naye rumuna akho sihambe Sipho.
Naphalela namanzi kamntana menzela ukumana umhlekisa
Yo. Wenzekani?
hayi lo
Ngakho uprastile.
adios
Nginde imjonga pha kancane.
ayazi wayito nje sizoyithini lento uyabona umntana uyafuda
Iku voicemail ifona ngini. Hayi ngiyaqala ukuyiva ngele.
hey yazi wayilento wayesilungisele
Sesimbuze pha ekuseni makwenzekani.
sivuka simthi chopha ekuseni ngeke uhlwile ngoma siyayo
Sesibhanga.
Yengazi ndisibhanga ngithe hlela phansi.
Iphi phone yakho wena?
Phone yami.
Andusihlala phansi.
Ngehlela phansi
Kunini inzaba khangela?
Hey, ngicela masimo hlela phansi wena. Thek. Ndimi indoda kanye nguwe. Ngithe ndimi nayo indoda kanye nguwe na. Ngicela masimo yebo. Ayaba ngithathile.
Yazi mina.
Yani ngayibeka imigaqo siseko for wena.
Hey bekele sile.
Ndesunyela wena.
Cela.
Ngicela thek. Nyela. Jonga. Ngicela masimo yebo. Thek wena. Ngiyangcola nothek. Ngicela masimo ba. Uzakunye. Excuse me. Babe. Excuse me. Baby. I understand nawe man. Why am I understand that? Baby. Do you know what I just found out right now bangabana Sipho is I don't know how to put it but Sipho is a child of rape. Yes. Unobuhle kept it as a secret. I don't know why.
Ngayenza kanjani into nje nokuhle?
I don't know. But she kept it as a secret. And now I only found out ngobabalwa. Bangabana. And again a lot happened. I'm having an affair with sister wakhe. I don't know how to cope. And I'm sorry that I took my anger on you. It was not my intention at all. Sorry. Thank you. Live in. You sure? Nje ngicela ikakubi ne. Udala ubaba lo ngishile. Unobuhle ngivimbile naye so how but isongongonyana nje one just one wrong.
Hayi, ndisikwenza lonto.
Jonga ngithandiswe ne. Khulula. Ngiyakhulula. Khulula man. Khulula. Khulula. Tek man. Khulula. Sumbama. Khulula. Mbamba. Khulula. Khulula masimo. Khulula masimo. Uningi ithethe le nto yakho. Yeah. Khulula masimo. Yeah. Yes. Baby. Baby. Baby, ngicela uvuke tu. Baby. Thina we. Ngiyadlala ni baby. Man ngiyadlala baby. Baby awukwazi kaloku sema sami. Please, baby.